Okay, so here we are. I just hid my fugitive down here. I turned down all the outside lights, and it's just me against two others. I am defending this house from intruders. We have one door open over there, and this door open here, and I locked all the other doors just to screw with them. But supposedly, like, they can come in any door, but... Hey! Hey! I think I'm ready! Right now, looks like they're going to go for the front, which is a mistake. Oh crap. Aye! Holy crap. Nah, quit! Out! Holy crap! 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, can you like not shoot me? 5, don't shoot me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see your shadow. Yeah, that's what I thought. He's not inside yet. He hasn't come in.
Yeah, he is. Logan, we're down here!
He's at the window. So, we got only bang bangs inside the house, pretty much. Because I don't want to be shooting crap inside the house. And Logan's locked out of the back.
Alright, will you just stop for a second so I can unlock these doors?
Just unlock that one. I was kind of hoping you guys wouldn't go straight for the basement.
Oh.
He's inside
Knowing
a...
you want new shoes down here.
What?
Knowing you want new shoes down here.
Yeah, I closed all of the doors upstairs, like all the bedroom doors, so that you would have to like check them all and stuff.
Can we just shoot in here? Because we're never going to fucking get out.
No, because the pool table and stuff.
Hey, Logan!
Ah! What the heck was that? What?
That's fine, that's a kill.
Oh, okay.
Sorry,
1,
I'm bringing her to the
2,
stairs, 'cause she doesn't want me to come.
3, 4, 5.
I got you first.
That was a trade. That was a trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bang, bang! I got whoever has Shaylee. Hey, I got whoever has Shaylee. Gage, you're dead. I got you on the stairs. Gage, I got you on the stairs. Where's... Oh, crap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, you're out, Gage. I got you on the stairs with a bang bang. So yeah, you are out. Gage, you're out.
No, I'm not.
I got you with the bang bang, so stop saying you're not. I was right behind you on the stairs, and I said bang bang as you were going up the stairs. So, Shaylee, you can't run. Get back here.
Shaylee says, fuck it!
Out. 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 Gage, you are out inside.
Okay, well, I didn't do shit.
You shot at me, so that counts. You did stuff.
Did the thing. I did the thing.
No.
What? Oh, I had no internet downstairs, so I couldn't do my homework.
Gage, you were out before you made it up the stairs. So Shaylee would have still been
Next time we
inside.
do hostage, not fucking inside then, because we're not doing bang bang, because then you don't know if you're not looking.
I literally screamed it.
Okay, well it sounded like you were still at the bottom of the stairs and I was at the top.
You were like on the stairs right here, and I was like right before the landing, because I was aiming this way.
When I heard you say bang bang, I was like right here and it sounded
Exactly,
like all
I
the way
was
down
right
there.
behind you.
You were down there, like I
I
saw.
know that.
So I was making sure, because I was going to bang you the moment you came around the corner.
Yeah, because I was like right down there. And I said
Well,
bang bang, and he's
Shaylee said if we want to
booking
play
it up
another,
the
she'll
stairs.
put a coat on and we can do it outside.
I don't want to do it outside, I'm cold.
What bitch, dude?
Well, I only have a t-shirt on under this. You actually have
I'm
like
wearing
a long
dress shirt.
sleeves on.
Stop complaining.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, get out of here.
But you don't feel anything.
I feel emotion.